Hi, wonderful viewers. Today we're embarking on a transformative journey right in the heart of our homes, the kitchen. Part 1. Elevating hygiene, kitchen cleanliness. Number 1. Let's lay the groundwork for a healthier lifestyle by focusing on kitchen hygiene. A clean and organized kitchen is not just visually pleasing, but a crucial step towards overall well-being. Number 2. Always keep your kitchen clean and organized. It's the canvas for your culinary masterpieces. Number 3. Be mindful of potential invaders. Ensure poisonous substances meant to repel insects are kept away from your food items. Number 4. Consider this. Even seemingly clean utensils may carry harmful germs left by cockroaches or flies. Wash your eating utensils first. Number 5. Prevent the entry of flies and insects. Clean platforms, avoid scattered spices, and mop with a water-fennel mix. Don't forget to clean the ceiling regularly to avoid accidental falls into your food. Number 6. Regularly change kitchen sponges, as they can quickly become breeding grounds for harmful bacteria. Number 7. For non-vegetarians, maintain separate cutting boards and knives to prevent the transfer of bacteria from raw meat to other foods. Number 8. Sterilize your fridge inside and out every 15 days. Store perishables like meat and cheese in the fridge for prolonged freshness. Number 9. Hand hygiene is non-negotiable. Wash your hands with soap before and after cooking to prevent the transfer of bacteria. Part 2. Nutrient-rich choices, crafting a balanced diet. Number 1. Now that our kitchen is a sanctuary of hygiene, let's dive into crafting a nutrient-rich symphony with our food choices. Number 2. Select your cooking oils wisely. Canola, olive, sunflower, safflower, soybean, and flaxseed oils are rich in monounsaturated fats and essential fatty acids. Number 3. Revamp your snack containers. Fill them with fresh fruits, vegetables, and fiber-rich foods. It's time for a snacking revolution. Number 4. Take a look inside your fridge. If it's loaded with pizza and ice cream, it's time for a health makeover. Grab a small portion to satisfy your cravings. Number 5. Watch your portion sizes by using smaller plates. It's a simple trick that promotes mindful eating and helps in avoiding overindulgence. Part 3. Stocking immune boosters. Number 1. Let's stock our kitchens with a league of immune-boosting superheroes. These foods aren't just ingredients, they're our allies in the fight for health. Number 2. Blueberries, wild salmon, and coconut oil. These ingredients are not just delicious, they are packed with nutrients that support our immune system. Number 3. Broccoli. Enter the mighty broccoli, a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's not just a vegetable, it's a defender against diseases. Number 4. Healthy spices. Don't overlook the health benefits of spices. Ginger aids digestion, garlic is heart-friendly, and spices like cinnamon have properties beneficial for diabetes and heart health. Number 5. Probiotics. Lastly, the guardians of our immune system. Probiotics include yogurt, buttermilk, soft cheese, and naturally fermented pickles in your diet. And there you have it, a journey to create a kitchen that not only sparkles with hygiene, but also nourishes our well-being. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share with your kitchen enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button for more healthful living tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking up those dreams.